Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American deli. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the deli staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. At this deli, what do they call a long sandwich? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. This is my favorite deli in the city.
The line is so long. It goes all the way to the corner.
It looks long, but it moves fast. 10 minutes, maybe less.
Okay, that's not bad.
Do you know what you want?
Not yet. I will think at the counter.
Too late. Here, you think in line.
In line? Right now?
Right now. At the counter, the man is fast. If you stop and think, he calls the next person.
He will not wait for me?
He will wait a little, but there are 20 people behind you, and everybody is hungry.
That makes me nervous. In my country, we can take our time.
For many people here, lunch is only 1 hour, so they are in a hurry. Look at that woman with the gray bag. Watch her mouth.
Her mouth is moving. Is she talking to herself?
She is practicing her order. Many people do it here.
Really? Out loud?
Very quietly. In your head is fine too.
But I don't know the words or the questions.
I can help you. They ask you in the same order every time.
What order?
First bread, then meat, then cheese, then vegetables, then sauce.
Bread, meat, cheese, vegetables, sauce.
That's it. About 5 questions, sometimes 1 or 2 more.
What are the other ones?
Small ones, big or small, hot or cold. You just say yes or no.
Yes or no. I can do that.
Now say your answers.
White bread, turkey, cheese.
Good. Keep going.
I forget the rest.
That's fine. The man will ask you. You only answer.
Bread, meat, cheese. Okay.
One more thing. Don't say sub here.
Sub? Why not? That is the word I know.
In this city, we have a different name for it.
What name?
The line is moving. Come on, let's go inside.
Sam, tell me the name.
Later. Walk. Push the door. It's heavy.
Wow, it smells so good in here.
Hot meat and fresh bread. Wait here for 1 second.
What is that red machine on the wall?
This one? You take a paper from it. Watch.
It made a small sound.
Here, this is your number, 67.
Such a little paper. Is it important?
This little paper is your turn. Don't lose it.
What number are they calling now?
Look up at the wall. That light shows 63.
63, so 4 people are before me.
Right, about 5 minutes.
This is a good way. Everybody knows the order.
It is, but some old shops have no machine.
Then how do you know your turn?
The man behind the counter just shouts, "Who's next?"
And then?
And then you say, "I am." You say it loud.
I can't shout in a shop.
Then you wait forever. People will go before you again and again.
That's scary.
It happened to me. In my first year here, I waited 20 minutes for nothing.
Really? What did you do?
I learned 2 words. Me, please. That's all you need.
I am me, please. Okay, I can say that.
But today is easy. Today you have a number.
64 now. It really is fast.
I told you, nobody stands still in this shop.
Sam, look at that wall. There are so many words up there.
That's the menu board.
It is huge. I can't read all of it.
Don't read all of it. Nobody reads all of it.
Nobody?
Nobody. Choose your bread and your meat. That's it.
And the rest?
The rest they ask you. You just answer yes or no.
Bread and meat. Bread and meat.
They're calling 65. Get ready.
Are you coming with me?
No, you go first. I will order after you.
66. 67. Who is 67?
Me, please. I am 67.
Come up. What can I get you?
Hello. I would like a sandwich.
Bread? Meat? A whole hero or a half?
Sorry?
Bread, meat, and do you want a whole hero or a half?
A hero? Like a strong man in a movie?
No, not that hero. Here in this city, a long sandwich is a hero.
The sandwich is called a hero?
That's right. A long roll cut open full of meat.
My friend told me not to say sub.
Your friend is right and your friend is wrong.
What do you mean?
In Philadelphia, they say hoagie. Up north, they say grinder. In most places, they say sub. Here, we say hero.
4 names for one sandwich?
Same sandwich, different city, different name. Nobody really knows why. My grandfather worked here and he said hero too.
So the word is old?
Very old. Older than me, and I am old.
So if I say sub in this shop, is that bad?
Say sub and I still know what you want. But say hero and you sound like you live here.
A hero? I like that word.
Everybody likes it. Now, a whole one or a half?
What is a half?
A whole hero is this long. A half is half of that. So which one?
A half, please. No, wait. A whole hero.
A whole hero it is. Bread?
What bread do you have?
For a hero, the roll comes in 2 kinds, white or wheat.
Only 2? On the board, I saw rye.
Ah, rye. Good bread. But rye is not a roll. Rye comes in flat slices, dark and a little sour. Very good with turkey.
So I cannot have a rye hero?
No, no such thing. A hero is a long roll. Rye is slices. If you want rye, I make you a small sandwich instead.
I want the long one today. Wheat, please. And turkey.
A wheat hero with turkey. Nice choice. Walk down this way with me. Here we go. I open the wheat roll like this.
You open it so fast.
30 years, same knife. Now turkey. How much?
I don't know. Normal?
Normal it is. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is a lot of turkey.
That is normal here. Cheese?
Yes, please. White cheese.
Good. Now the vegetables. Lettuce?
Yes.
Tomato?
Yes, please.
Onion?
A little, please.
A little onion. Pickle?
On the sandwich?
On it or on the side.
On the side, please.
Smart. Sauce? We have mustard and mayo.
Mustard, please.
Mustard on turkey. Very good. Toasted?
Toasted? Is toasted better?
When are you eating it?
Not now. Maybe in 20 minutes? We want to sit outside.
Then yes. toast it.
Because it tastes better hot?
That too, but there is another reason. Look at this tomato.
It is very red and very wet.
Tomato is water. Water goes into cold bread. In 20 minutes, your bread is soft and wet.
Oh no.
Wet bread is a sad sandwich.
And hot bread is different?
When I toast it, the outside gets hard. The water stays on top. Your bread is still good at 1 o'clock.
I never thought about that. Then yes, toasted please.
Good choice. Into the toaster it goes.
So if I eat it here, right now, no toast?
Right. Eat it now, and cold bread is fine. Eat it later, and you want the toast.
How long does it take?
30 seconds. Not long.
It smells like fresh bread now.
That is the best smell in this shop. Okay, here it comes. Careful, it's hot.
It looks wonderful.
Now I close it, and I put a paper on top. You're all set.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Danny takes your money at the front.
Hi there. Are you next?
I think so. Number 68.
That's you. What are we making today?
A roast beef sandwich, please. On white bread.
Roast beef. Hot or cold?
Cold, please.
Cheese on that?
Yes, please. White cheese.
Anything green?
Lettuce and tomato. And a little salt and pepper.
Sauce?
Just a little mayo. Not too much.
Okay, here you go. Anything else?
Yes, one more thing. Can I buy some turkey to take home?
Sure. How much do you want?
A ½ pound, please.
A ½ pound of turkey. Thin or thick?
Thin, please.
Good answer.
Is it? Why?
Because thin is smarter. Same weight, more pieces.
More pieces for the same money?
Same weight, same money, but look, when I cut it thick, you get maybe 8 pieces. When I cut it thin, you get 20.
And 20 pieces make a bigger sandwich.
A much bigger sandwich. The meat goes up like a little hill.
But it is the same meat.
It is the same meat. It only looks like more.
So thin is always better.
For sandwiches, yes. For a hot plate at home, cut it thick.
Why thick for a hot plate?
Thin meat gets dry and hard in a hot pan. Thick meat stays soft.
Thin for cold, thick for hot. That's easy to remember.
Now you know more than most people in this line.
I will remember that.
Now, watch the machine. See?
It comes off like paper.
The slicer is sharp today. Okay, a ½ pound. A little over. Is that all right?
That's fine.
Paper on the bottom, fold, fold, and tape. Here you are.
Thank you. My friend is at the other counter. It's her first time here.
Oh, then she met Vince. He talks a lot.
She needs that today.
He talks and doesn't stop. Everything goes to the front. Danny is at the register.
Hi. Is that everything?
Yes, 1 turkey hero on wheat, toasted.
Vince made this one?
Yes, is that a problem?
No, but his sandwiches are always heavy. Let me wrap it well.
You use a lot of paper.
I do. Watch. I pull it tight, 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 and then tape.
It looks like a small package now.
That's the idea. Now listen, don't open all of the paper.
Why not?
Because the paper holds it together. Open all of it and everything falls on the street.
Everything?
Everything. The tomato first, then the turkey, then you are sad and the birds are happy.
So what do I do?
Open it little by little, like a banana. Eat the top, push the paper down, eat more.
Like a banana. I can remember that.
Everybody here eats like that. Look out the window at lunchtime.
Oh, That man on the corner is doing it right now.
You see, he does it every day. Same bench, same sandwich.
And his paper is only half open.
That's a man who knows. Nobody teaches you this, but everybody learns it.
Today, I learned it in 1 minute.
You had a good teacher. Now, do you want a pickle?
How much is a pickle?
Nothing. The pickles are free.
Free? Really?
Really? Take one. Take two.
1 is enough, thank you.
Into the bag. Okay, your total is $8.50.
$8.50. 1 second, please.
Take your time.
Here, $10.
$10. And your change is $1.50.
Thank you.
Napkins are in the bag. Do you want a drink?
No, thank you. This is enough food for me.
It is enough food for 2 people. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Come back and see us.
This bench is free. Let's sit here.
The sun is nice.
Open your paper little by little.
I know, Danny told me, like a banana.
You learned everything today.
Look at it, it is so big.
That's a hero.
How is your roast beef?
Very good. Try a bite later.
This bread is wonderful, and it's still warm.
Because you toasted it. Good choice.
Because of the tomato water.
He's right. I never toast mine, and my bread is always soft.
Then you should listen to Vince too.
Maybe I should.
Sam, I have a problem.
What's wrong?
I can't finish this. I ate half and I'm full. I feel bad about it.
Don't feel bad. Almost nobody finishes it.
Almost nobody? Really?
Really? Look around. That man over there is closing his paper. He's saving it.
For later?
For dinner. It's normal here.
So what do people say at the counter?
They say, "Can you cut it in half, please?" Then they eat half now and half at night.
Can you cut it in half, please? That's easy.
1 small question, 2 meals.
And they say yes?
Always. They do it many times a day.
Then my sandwich tonight is free.
Not free. You paid for it 10 minutes ago.
Okay, not free, but it feels free.
That is the best kind of dinner.
I'll do that next time. And Sam?
Yes.
Next time I will say a hero, not sub.
So Vince told you.
He told me everything. Hero here, Hoagie in Philadelphia, Grinder up north.
Same sandwich, different names.
Listen to me. A turkey hero on wheat, toasted, cut in half, please.
Now you sound like a local.
Then let's come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Same line? Same number?
Same line, but next time I will order for both of us.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. At this deli, what do they call a long sandwich? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.